Hi there. Trust you all are doing great. I want to quickly share on something I just learned recently. I've had this thing for a while now. That's a nose clip, right, for swimming. So this helps block your nose and prevent water from coming in while you're swimming. And for a long time now, since I started swimming or learning how to swim, I've not actually used it because I thought, I don't want to learn with something that will spoil me, so to speak. So I kind of like left it aside. But as I started swimming, I realized that in swimming, you have to learn things step by step. Sometimes you need to focus on a particular thing and learn that thing before you now learn other things alongside with it. So there are two things. One, the backstroke, and second thing is doing the front flip. Like i.e. when you're swimming freestyle and you get to the end and you want to spin on the water like the professionals do. I found out that doing that spin has been a little bit difficult, and then I realized that from a video I watched online that use the nose clip, and now I'm going to use the nose clip to learn how to flip and perfect the flip, after which I can now pull it out and then do the flips while breathing out, which is what I'm supposed to be doing with from my nostrils. So ideally what you're supposed to do is when you are flipping, you flip and you're breathing out. But now I'm learning how to do that, and I'm having to be breathing out and flipping at the same time. So there's no shame in the game, right? So I'm going to put the nose clip on and learn how to flip correctly. When I get it in check, then I can now remove it and then learn how to breathe out while I'm flipping. At the same time, doing the backstroke, I realized that even professional swimmers in the Olympics actually do backstroke swimming with the clip on. So if you're like me, don't feel you're spoiling yourself if you're using some props when you're learning how to swim and all of that. Sometimes they are actually very helpful, because in swimming, it's best to learn things step by step. So I'm going to master the flip, I'm going to master the backstroke technique and all of that. Then I'm going to now know when not to use it and when to use it. So it's okay to use some of these things sometimes, right? So how do you use it? It's a simple thing. You just put it on your nose like this. You block your nose, right? So I look like Humpty Hump from Digital Underground. So this way now I can't actually allow water. It kind of stops water from going in my nose. So I'm forced to breathe out and in from my mouth right now. And that's the idea, right? So there you have it. This will help you have, that can be a very painful experience when you have water going into your nose. It just kind of disorients you and you stop, So at least now I can enjoy and learn those things. So look forward to me showing you videos of me flipping. When I've learned it, I will put the videos up. Thanks for following me on this journey of learning how to swim as an adult. So till next time, have a lovely one. Over and out. Bye.